Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 15. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Infrastructure Projects Management tile ng BIMS App. Ang Infrastructure Projects Management Module ay ginagamit para i-manage at i-monitor ang mga government infrastructure projects sa loob ng Barangay Boundary. Kasama dito ang mga projects na maaaring galing sa barangay, municipal, provincial, or national government sources. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na Infrastructure Projects Management. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa Infrastructure Projects screen. Dito makikita ang listahan ng infrastructure projects within the barangay. Sa table, makikita ang important project information tulad ng project title, contractor, amount, start date, and completion date. Ang purpose ng module na ito ay hindi lang basta maglista ng projects. Each project can be geo-tagged using latitude and longitude. Ibig sabihin, bawat project ay pwedeng ilagay sa exact location sa mapa. Sa lower part ng screen, makikita ang project locations map. Dito makikita ang barangay boundary, project markers, and map-based visualization ng mga infrastructure projects. This is important because it gives spatial visibility. Mas madaling makita kung saan located ang isang project, kung nasa loob ba ito ng barangay boundary, and kung paano ito distributed across the community. Para mag-register ng bagong infrastructure project, gagamitin ang Add Project button. Dito, ilalagay ang project details such as title, contractor, amount, schedule, and other project information. After entering the project details, the user selects the exact project location using the map. This geo-tagging process helps ensure that the project is connected to its real-world location. Kapag nakasave na ang project, it becomes part of the monitoring system. Users can review the project in the table and view its location on the map. Another useful feature is row selection. Kapag nag-click ang user sa isang project row, the system can highlight the selected project, focus its location on the map, and display related photos if available. Available actions include Add Project, Edit, Delete, and Row Selection for map viewing. The Edit action allows authorized users to update project details. The Delete action removes a project record subject to system controls and user authorization. Mahalagang tandaan na only projects within the barangay boundary should be recorded in this module. This keeps the project monitoring accurate and relevant to the barangay. Geo-tagging is also important because incorrect or missing location data may affect map-based monitoring and transparency. This module supports transparency by linking project information to real-world locations and visual documentation. Instead of just reading project records from a list, users can see where the projects are actually located. Sa right side, makikita ang Infrastructure Projects Geo-tagged Monitoring Overview Help Panel. Dito ipinapaliwanag kung ano ang ginagawa ng section, paano gamitin ang module, available actions, important notes, system impact, and helpful tips. The most important tip is to use clear and descriptive project titles. This makes map-based identification easier, especially when there are many projects displayed on the map. In summary, ang Infrastructure Projects Management tile ay designed para magkaroon ang barangay ng organized, transparent, and map-based project monitoring system. It connects infrastructure project records, contractor information, project cost, schedule, geo-tagging, photos, barangay boundary, and real-time map visualization into one structured workflow. Sa future how-to tutorials, pag-aaralan natin ang detailed steps tulad ng paano mag-add ng infrastructure project, paano mag-select ng project location sa map, paano mag-edit ng project details, paano mag-upload or view project photos, and paano gamitin ang project map for monitoring. For now, ito muna ang overview ng Infrastructure Projects Management tile.